As we often do, we give you an update on what's happening with COVID-19. There are 5 new cases here in Jamaica, 7 more recoveries, 3 males, 2 females. They arrived on flights from the US and the Dominican Republic. They say the new patients, 3 males arrived. So those are the 5. 3 are Jamaicans. 2 of whom have addresses in Kingston and St. Andrew, and the other in Manchester. The other 2 are visitors staying in St. James. This one's gonna, I don't know where we reach right now, because everywhere else in the world is saying, let's close off the US because of how COVID is spiking there. But I know that's one of our biggest markets. So I mean, the best I can say is we just have to keep monitoring it. And then if we see that it's taking a turn for the worst, we will know what to do. But for right now, we have to just keep monitoring it and see what happens. But what's happening in the US is crazy.
It is ridiculous.
It's absolutely crazy. I mean, I read somewhere 300 children in a daycare in Houston tested positive for COVID-19. Yeah. Houston is just crazy. Florida, crazy.
Yesterday, last night, they were comparing countries with populations the same size as some states. And those countries are reporting 100 new cases, 128 new cases in a day. The state with which they were comparing it reported 17,000. Same population size, same size. I mean,
it's a hotbed. We've been lucky, but it's a hotbed. It's a hotbed, and one of the things that I don't think people are talking about enough are whether asymptomatic people are also suffering other symptoms. I mean, you saw D.L. Hewley, for example, performing and just pass out.
D.L. had COVID?
Well, and he didn't know he had it. So he was performing, then he just passed out, and then when they tested him, he had COVID.
Oh my gosh.
And I've seen where some people, medical people are saying that they're seeing other things coming from patients who have recovered. So she's saying you recover from the respiratory part of it.
Other issues.
But there are other issues. So guys, take it seriously. Still take it seriously. Seriously. Yeah.
Okay.